సో 22 అయిపోయింది కదా 23
అవును
ఇవి డిస్కస్ చేసామా లేదు కదా
లేదు ట్రెండ్ లైన్
ఓకే సో డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ very important. This is very important item, dual access. So we'll come to here and create a report name, dual access. First, I will create a statewide information, okay, or else a product container, okay. Drag and drop to the row section, okay. And then I have a sales. And the next item is a profit also.
Okay.
So I will put them in a swapping. The swapping button will interchange the positions. Rows to columns, columns to rows.
Yes.
I can make the sorting. Okay.
Okay.
Now I don't want to see these two items as two reports. I wanted to see them as a one report.
Okay.
So whenever you add a profit here, then at the next moment you will find one more mark shelf. Okay, this is the mark shelf, right? Whenever you drag and drop here, profit, I will remove the profit here. Now, how many mark shelf you are seeing here now?
Mark shelf?
How many marks shelf? This is the one box, entire box.
Okay, yeah.
How many boxes you are right now you are seeing? Only one box.
Yeah.
But whenever you drag and drop the profit to the here, then in the next moment you can see three items, three boxes for all, for a sales, for a profit. Okay?
Okay.
Three boxes, three mark shelf. So what I mean to say, suppose right now I wanted to decrease the width of the bar for two reports at the same time.
Okay.
Okay? I wanted to reduce the width. So at the same time, for that you can go to the all. If you want to reduce only to the sales only, then you can go to the sales. Only to the profit, then it's a profit. Okay. If I wanted to reduce the width of the bar to all the reports in a single time, with the help of all, go to the size, reduce. Reduce two items.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
And next, the sales. I have a sales and I have profit. Now I want to put the sales information and profit information, the two reports, I want to mix them as a single report. For that you have an option, dual access. Dual access option. What it is doing that, the bottom report is going to merge with the top report. With this option, select the dual access. Okay?
Okay.
Then what happened is, the sales and profit, here is the indicators, profit is in a blue color and sales is in a red color. And left side is a sales, here is the sales. Right side is a profit, because we are merging the two reports and the two reports having it in vertical bars, right? These measures.
Yes.
Axis, the vertical axis. So right now you can see the left and right for the two different measures with the two different vertical axes. But generally I can see this report as with a single vertical boxes. If you see in any websites, in a normal websites about this kind of reports, you can see maximum only one vertical, not two verticals.
Okay.
And the customer is saying that, don't show me the second vertical, I am confusing. Okay? Show me in a single vertical axis. Either read this one or this one. Okay. So I wanted to maintain this one, sales, and I wanted to close this vertical. And before closing this vertical, I will put them as a synchronized option. So because right now here is the sales box and here is the profit box, correct?
Right.
So can we expect the sales and profit same?
Yes.
Sales and profit. How much sales you done, that much profit you will get. Suppose you sell a bike at 1,000 rupees, then you got 1,000 rupees profit. Suppose you brought a car at 2 lakhs.
Okay.
And then you are selling the car at 2.5 lakh.
Okay.
What is the profit here?
50,000.
50,000. But right now it is showing along with the selling cost.
Okay. And there is no profit here.
Hmm?
No profit then.
No. What I mean to say, this is the value showing. If I am closing this one,
Okay.
there is a show header option.
Okay.
Then generally people are expecting that how much. What is the sales cost? Can we have the same profit cost? I mean to say how much you are selling. What is your selling cost in a car section? 2,50,000.
Yes.
So what is the actual profit here for you? It's a 50,000.
Yes.
But as per the indication, as per the vertical axis, it is showing that along with the sales bar.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm thinking that okay, the sales is equal to profit.
Okay.
2,50,000 your sales amount, and the profit is also 2,50,000. If I maintain this blue color icon,
Mm-hmm.
profit, maintaining in the same position is indicating that the value of this profit is also equal to around 3,000 more.
Yes. Yeah.
But it is not true, right? The profit is very less compared to the sales.
Yes. Exactly. Yeah.
But I should not maintain like this. So I can go back to the previous step. I can see the vertical axis right side, and then I will put them in a synchronized axis. Synchronized means it is synchronizing with the left side axis.
Okay.
Now you can see that it's a 3,000, it's a 3,000, it's a 2,500, it's a 2,500. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now you can see the blue indicators here. This is the sales information, this is the profit information.
Okay.
Now it is in a correct area.
Yes.
Now I don't have a problem to hide this option. Show header. Okay.
Okay.
And this understandability is somewhat complex to me. Right now the report understandability. So I will maintain the sales in a bar chart.
Okay.
Select the sales and then shelf will open and you can go to the automatic and select the bar.
Okay.
And then go to the profit. I want to put them in a line chart. This one. Select the profit. Go to the automatic. Now it is a profit shelf.
Yes.
Automatic. Make a line.
Okay.
Okay. And you want to change this item color. Go to the sales again. Change the color. Edit colors. Now it is showing that profit and sales color. I'm really not interested with the sales color. Select the sales and select any other item. Right. You go to the profit. I'll put them in a red color. Click apply. Clear?
Yes. Okay, Kishore.
So this is the dual axis. So you are maintaining the two different axes, two different measures in the same place with a single style.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So we can also prepare this style in a different manner. Select this dual axis again. So again the same product container, drag and drop to columns. Now first sales, drag and drop to here. Next is a profit, right?
Yes.
Drag and drop to here. But I don't want to do like this. I'm going to choose this profit. Okay, just a second. Select the profit and drag and drop to here is calling as a blended axis. Okay?
Okay.
If I am maintaining here, it's a blended axis. If overwriting here, it's not overwriting. When I am dropping here, then the profit is going to sitting on a color shelf in the same report. Okay?
Okay.
But that is a different report.
Okay.
And the right side of the report, here the dashed line is showing that you can arrange the here. Is nothing but dual axis feed.
Okay.
We have a 3 items. Left side calling as a blended axis.
Okay.
This is a overwriting. It's not overwriting. It's giving some color indications to the same report.
Okay.
And the right side is saying the dual axis. The left side is a blended axis and right side is a dual axis.
Okay.
So drag and drop to here. What happens?
We got like dual axis
So
previous one.
dual axis arranged. So you can see the dual axis automatically selected.
Okay.
So now you can synchronize this one and show header and go to the sales, change the bar, sum, profit, go to the profit, make a line. Over?
Yes.
So this is some shortcut to design the dual axis. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Now coming to the previous step, until sales. And we have a concept blended axis.
Yep.
Now dual axis is over and blended axis.
Dual map reports.
Now what I have to do? Select the profit and put it here.
Okay. Blend.
Then what is a blended axis means? It is giving a sales and profit in a side by side.
Okay.
See now, this is the jumbo box. In the jumbo box, you can see profit and sales.
Okay.
So every time you can see the profit and sales and side by side.
What are these names? Jumbo box, jumbo drum, large.
That container, it's a dimension member.
Okay.
It's a dimension member. You can also overwrite this the region. No? Got it? To central, east, southwest regions. This is the region field.
Okay.
And this is the 4 items. Now you can see the profit and sales to the each region.
Okay.
If you want to show the multiple measures in a side by side, that is calling as a blended axis.
Okay.
So you can also add one more item, shipping cost. Just drag and drop to here. That's it. Discount. You can put it here or else you can put it here. Both are same.
Okay.
Now see, you can see all the measures in a side by side, correct?
Right.
So that's calling as a blended axis. This is sometimes people will ask you how to maintain the measures in the side by side. Then, if you don't know this, it's some kind of a difficulty to understand.
Okay.
It might be inter question also. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
This is I'm calling as a blended axis. And the next is a dual map. Dual map is nothing but a dual axis also.
Okay.
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 It is also same functionality, dual map, dual axis functionality. So, but I am working with the map report. That's what I'm calling as a dual map. So I have a state. I wanted to create a map report. So just double click this one. It will create a basic report, map report. Okay.
Okay.
Now I can select the control button, select this one, and keep control button and move to the right side here.
Okay.
Then side by side, one more map report created. Correct?
Yes.
Just a minute. Okay. So now we have two basic map reports. Can I do with the longitude also? Yes. Why not? Go back to here and just click on this longitude and select the right side. The vertical manner, it was created the same way.
Yes.
Last time it's a horizontal manner. This time vertical manner. Top and bottom. Last time left and right.
Yep.
You can also do side one more time. You can also maintain this one. Now you can see
4.
side by side. You can also do one more time. But it is not the good way. Okay?
Okay.
We'll maintain in a vertical manner, top and bottom. For this example, understandability. Okay?
Okay.
So when I am doing this latitude, then at the same time, one more latitude mark shall created here. This is this one, and this is the second shell. For all, if you want to change the color of this total two reports, you can just go and check this item. That's it. Correct? So similarly, the dual axis. Now this in OK. Now these are the basic reports. For the first latitude, I will maintain the profit as a profit to the color shell. Then first report got modified. And then profit has a legend. The legend is saying that then the negative, I mean to say loss, is in a red color. Profit is in a green color. High profit is a thick green color. So the same indication applies on the map report. You already understand, right?
Yep.
Now coming to the second report, latitude. Select the second latitude. And this time go to the sales and drag and drop to the size. Now the second report got modified based upon the size volume. See here, this is the legend, sales legend. For the less sales, small circle, bubbles. Bubbles increasing based upon the sales volume.
Okay.
The same indication applying here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And select the same second latitude and the state name onto the label box. Okay?
Okay.
So, and I wanted to change the colors also. I think that is a good one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is fine. Now I have a top report is a profit and the bottom report is only sales with a statement. I will go to the second item. If you wanted to maintain a dual map, so you have to match the bottom report to the top report. So select here and the dual axis available here. Now see here, the background is the profit information and the front end is a bubbles is indicating a sales information, correct?
Yes.
In a single report. That's calling as a dual map.
Okay.
Look like a very nice report, right?
Yeah.
Next, what is the geocoding? 24. Geocoding is a new concept added here. Okay. So to work with the geocoding, there is a separate process. So the first thing is we have a map and there is a geocoding option. Okay. Right now I have something. I'm removing this existing geocoding option. So we'll start with the basics from scratch. So I will remove this existing coding. Okay. So there is a process one by one. Go to the geocoding, import geocoding option. And what is importing? So to To import the geocoding, there is a two files required. Okay. First, I have some documentation here. We go through the documentation. I will share you the link.
Okay.
Your name is Vinod, right? This is the one, huh?
Yeah.
Have you downloaded the Tableau folder, entire folder?
Yeah, I downloaded it.
Okay. And this is the latest one. So maybe you're not downloading this one. I don't know. But anyway, I will share it to you again.
Geocoding already I have it, I think.
You have it, the two files?
Yes.
You have?
Yes, yeah, I got this folder also.
Okay.
One second.
This document you have? I don't think so.
Yeah, 1 second. Send me anyway, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. So this file is having 145 MB file. Okay. And this contains attached files also.
Okay.
You open this one, there is a procedure, step by step it is indicating what we have to do. Geocoding means for geographical information. Okay? To help you to find out the geographical information in a map report. This custom geocoding is applicable to map report only.
Okay.
Okay? So I have an example. There is a chain of bank branches across the globe. There is a Excel file. Okay, I will custom geocoding. Yeah, this is a file. So in this place, I have a Bank of China branches information. Simple Excel file. So take this Excel file as your source. Connect Excel on a desktop. Custom geocoding folder, and this is your file. And see the right side, the data. Country name. So the Bank of China branches in across the globe. So where is the branch? In which country? How many branches they have in each country? So this is the country name. This is the branch, Singapore branch. And manager to the Singapore branch. And number of employees working on that branch. Number of employees and address of the branch. Okay? It's very straightforward, this data.
Yes.
Open this one. Now I have a country and branch, manager, number of employees, address. Everything is straightforward. And go to the sheet, custom geocoding sheet. And this is the geocoding of bank generate. So I can rename it. Geocoding China for our understanding.
Okay.
Next, I have a country. I will double click the country. Then it will create a map report. This is as per the data, this is showing a globe data, right?
Yes.
About China. So China, so this Excel having what are the countries, all the countries are displayed here.
Yes.
We don't have any China branch in India.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, but across the globe they have branches. So you have a Canada. Now I will put my branch to the detailed box. What the next step I'm expecting is, if I'm putting my branch here, then the symbols has to be divided into the branch level. Right now you are looking at a country level, right?
Yes.
Now I put here in a detail box or else right just down here, then I'm expecting how many branches in each country, that many symbols should be developed.
Yes.
But it is not doing. It is not responding because this is the geographical field and this is also expecting the same geographical field here.
Okay.
The branch location also.
Okay.
Okay, but in this place to get this branch as a geographical symbol, so globe symbol, I have to do some custom geocoding. By default, the Tableau is coming with country, continent, the first one continent level, country level, state level, city level, and zip code level. But we are working with especially bank branches, and where is the branch, and we don't know, right?
Yes.
So that's Tableau by default don't know, and we have to do to know the Tableau to something. Okay. So
Okay.
there is a procedure to make this branch as a geographical symbol. The concept is calling as a custom geocoding. So to do that, see here, I'm going to maintain this folder. So what I will do is first, for the same Excel file, you open this one. For this branch, okay, for this address, or else this branch address, I will find the latitude and longitude. I will find the latitude and longitude.
Okay.
What is the latitude and longitude? That will support you to find out in a map report.
Okay.
You are in some location, right? I can find out your latitude and longitude, and then based on that where you are exactly, I can easily find out you from the map, from the Google Maps.
Okay.
So for this data, if you can maintain a latitude and longitude in a separate system, then the Tableau will identify the branch as a globe symbol. Understand?
Yeah.
No?
Yes, Kishore.
Okay. So to do that, I need to create a folder. The folder name is for myself. I am creating a folder name CSV, comma separated view.
Okay.
Okay, it contains two files. If you see here, the Bank of China branches, the same file, Excel file, but it is a CSV format. So to work with the custom geocoding, okay,
Okay.
there is a procedure here. Here is a procedure something, but to work with the custom geocoding, to work with the Tableau custom geocoding, we should create a folder, the step one, that is a CSV folder. And then the Bank of China branches, you should create a file that is the CSV file, .csv. What you have to do is open Excel and write your notes and save the file as a CSV. So right click and open this one. It is a Excel file again. See here, Microsoft Excel comma separated value file. This is the one.
Okay. Sorry.
You see here, Now what happened is, it's a country name and the branch name, correct?
Yes.
Country name, branch name, the branch address, latitude and longitude. They're finding this item as the help of latitude and longitude. This information was captured by manual.
Okay.
Singapore branch. Just try to work with the Singapore branch and find out in a Google and find the latitude and longitude. It will give you latitude and longitude values for the Singapore branch. For each branch, they are collecting the latitude and longitude. It will give you latitude and longitude here for each branch. That's you have to do that.
Okay.
Okay. But this file I got it from some Tableau system. What I mean to say, if you wanted to find your any customized geocoding, first you need to maintain the latitude and longitude for the data in that way. So my field name is country, China bank branch, latitude and longitude. These are the 4 fields I maintained in this file. Clear this file?
Okay. Yeah.
And save this file as a CSV. That is the one. Next, create a notepad file and open this file in a notepad format. This is a notepad, but save the file as a .ini. This is the extra procedure.
Okay.
And this is looking for what is the file name, the CSV file name. This is the one, right?
Yes.
And we have a column header, right? We have a country, bank, China branch, latitude, longitude is the columns.
Okay.
So, column header true. And what is the format of this file? CSV delimited. You should maintain this compulsory.
Okay.
And what is the column one we have? Country, right?
Yes.
That is a text data type. Column 2, China bank branch. That is also text data type. And column 3, it's a latitude, it's a number with a decimal value, so it's a double value.
Okay.
Again, column 4, longitude, it's a double value. And save this file. At the same time, maintain the .ini as extension. Clear these 2 files?
Yes.
So once you maintain the CSV file, and this is enough to load this data to the Tableau side.
Okay.
Now go to the Tableau, and there is a map. Geocoding. Import geocoding. It is asking, sir, where is the CSV and INI file? It is asking. Import geocoding. I am showing this folder name directly. This is my folder. It is asking what is the folder you have, those 2 files.
Yes.
Select this folder, CSV. Yes. Select this folder. And just import. And the next, once you click import, then the Tableau is taking a remaining work to load the data to the Tableau internal system.
Okay.
And it will take 1 or 2 minutes of time, and then finally close this box. So done. Okay?
Okay.
It's completed. Now, what I will do is, I will go to the Google China and edit data source. Okay? And before that, I will leave this branch here. Okay?
Okay.
And then go to the China branch, edit data source. Now I can go to here and select the branch here. This is the branch. Now I know that the branch is maintaining the latitude, longitude in the Tableau system. Then this field has to be changed with the geographical field symbol, globe symbol.
Okay.
So select ABC and go to the geographical rule. Now you can see the China bank branch is the new item, add it to the Tableau here. This field is actually belongs to, just now it came here, and before that we don't have this option.
Okay.
The chain of bank branch was added based upon the latitude and longitude of CSV file and INI file and the importing geocoding.
Okay.
So now just select this one. See here it's a custom geocoding option. That's what here is a custom symbol.
Okay.
And then go to the geocoding report. Now the branch is also globe symbol have. Now I am expecting this into the detail box or else here. Both are same. So drag and drop after country. Then what happens?
The country name. It is showing the branches all over the world.
Now the branches also
Appearing.
expanded.
Yes.
Earlier we have a,
Only
see here, just look at one more time. This is the one. I will put the country in a color box to more identification.
okay.
Now see here Canada. Now I will put my branch here in a, after this one. So how many green colors formed here?
3.
3. So, but actually there are so many colors. See, inside of this color, there are very near to there is a one more branch.
Okay.
Sometimes in a same city we have 2 or 3 branches, right, based upon the population.
Yeah.
So if you are very near to that, then the latitude and longitude also very near to that values, branch values. So that's what. So you can put here. Now I can select this one, Canada, for Canada branch. So Canada. Now I can see only Canada items here.
Okay.
See, it's a single branch, but here it's a big symbol, right?
Yep.
Look like a big symbol. So there are 2 to 3 branches here. See now, this is a manpower, and move mouse. See one more. 2 branches here.
Yep.
Correct? And here 1, 2,
3.
around 3 branches.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, just go and check the show click filter. Okay? And then maintain the branch also as a push show click filter. Now, if I select something here, then based upon that, this filter has to respond. That is what I am expecting. If I am selecting a Canada, then the second branch filter should show only Canada branches only, not all other branches.
Okay.
To get that, in the second filter box, I can go and check the only relevant values. Okay?
Okay.
And now I will deselect all and select Canada only. Now you can see only Canada branches here. Okay?
Okay.
These are only Canada. See now the Canada has a green color, and now we are seeing only Canada branches. How many branches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 branches. But we are looking at right now the majorly 3 or 4.
Yeah.
You select one by one,
6.
yes. Select all branches, deselect it, and select a branch. 1, got it? Second, third, added here, third item.
Yes.
Fourth,
Added this.
so Toronto, same city.
Yes.
This is also same city.
Yep.
This is also, and this is also from the same city. Toronto is a big item in Canada.
Yep.
So this is a different one. These are the 2 different same city. Okay, now clear? Now we can able to expand the data in a branch level also. Now I can just click on my employees and put it in labels. Branch level employees. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now you can cancel this one. It's not required because we are working with the filters.
Yep.
We have a search map also. If we don't need to go for the filter box, we can directly search this map within this place. Okay? Canada, whatever you want.
Okay.
Now this is the way of working with the custom geocoding.
Mm-hmm.
I have given the documentation to you. Just go through these things and whatever as per my discussion in this class, and try to compare with these files, and then you can understand. Okay?
Okay.
Next 25, the last item for today. How do they create a KPI report? What is a KPI? Any idea?
Kernel map or what? No, I don't know. KPI report.
KPI means key performance indicator. Okay?
Okay.
Title. Shit, this one. To compare the sales and target data. Okay?
Okay.
Target, sales and target data. So, to easy identification. Okay?
Okay.
So, I have a sales here. What I will do is I will work with the department data again. So, where is the department? Orders data. Actually, orders data. So, in this place, I will put my sales information to the text box, the first thing. And then I will split this information in terms of a what this is, state level. I'll say this location. Yeah, driving up to here. Okay. Now you can see the state name with the sales information, but I don't have really target information. What I will do is I will take in a profit. I will take in a target as a one value in this list. Okay. For example, I'll put them as a 700 is my target
Mm-hmm.
as a constant value. Now I'm comparing with the 700 to each record, whether it is meet or not. Then I can easily find out, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Seven hundred. So to do that, what I will do is I will write a calculation here. On a sales, right click, create a calculated field. The field name is KPI. What I will do is if function, if sum of sales, okay, sum
Okay.
of sales greater than 700,000, okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually how many digits? 700,000. This is 6 digits.
Yep.
700,000. Then sum of sales greater than 700,000. Then um, what we can do is good sales. Okay. Else bad sales. Okay. You
Okay.
can write your own text
Okay.
and use this expression with the end. Clear?
Yep.
So click OK. Now we have a KPI here. I can directly put this KPI in the place of overwriting the sales item. And before that, 20. And before doing that, I will put this style into shape box. Go to the automatic and select a shape. Then I can see the circles, right?
Yep.
Put it here. Now I will put my KPI calculation and overwriting the sales here. Just a second. Yeah. So drag the KPI to the shape box.
Okay.
Now you can see that the good is having a square box and bad is having a rectangle. It's a circle. So indicating, right, the different boxes.
Okay.
Now I can go to the label and show mark label. I'll put like this. Okay. And I'm really not happy with the symbols. Whatever the Tableau given me by default, I will go to the shape box and I will look at some any existing shapes. Yes, I have some KPI shapes. And then I can go to the bad item and select this check mark. And for the good item, I will check this mark.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm giving this report to you, and you're looking at this report and give me in a very short time, sir. Very less people meet this requirement, 700.
Yep.
But in last time, if you have a text data, then you have to show every data and comparing the 700, and then you need to find an answer, right?
Yep.
So the difference is, in a seconds of time, you are giving an answer to the user.
Exactly.
So that is the benefit of having the indicators in the report.
Okay.
This is we are calling as a KPI. And sometimes manager is saying that you are given a 700,000. Could you please provide me the range? I will put my range in as per my interest. What he is asking that you put a 700, right? And this time maintain the 700 to or else 600, 650 to 750. I want to have this range, and I will change my range every time based upon my interest. Then I will compare with the selected range with the sales. So for this scenario, we have to create a parameter. Right click, create a parameter. Show KPI value. Okay. Select KPI value, target value. You can say target value. And now whatever the data we have is integer, right? We don't have any decimals.
Yes, only integer.
And then in this place, I'm going to put my range. My manager is asking that a range. So what is my minimum range? 650.
Okay.
650,000. And the maximum range is 750,000.
Okay.
Okay. And now the current value is saying that 100. Okay. And click OK. This is enough to create a parameter here. So 750,000. See here, the current value basically showing up the minimum value by default. And click OK. Now the select target value here, you can directly show to the end user, show parameter control. Now the end user has the facility to select whatever he interests. Okay.
Okay.
He has some options. Slider typing, 2 options. Customize, show rider out, show slider, Okay, so type in. You can also type the value, but the maximum range is 650 to 750. Right. Okay. Now, but based upon my selection here, this is not responding. How can I know that? So to understand this for this time, open this label box. We maintain a show mark labels and hide. We'll put it here. You have a 667 is the value.
Okay.
Your value is 650, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But it's already meet. The value is greater than the selected value is greater than the target value or not.
Yes, greater. Yeah.
So if it is a greater than, definitely it should be green color, right?
Yes.
So because it is not responding right now, there is no communication from this parameter to here.
Okay.
To maintain a communication, we have an existing KPI field. We'll go to the KPI field and edit the calculation here. Okay? Edit the calculation. Now, what you want to do is, whatever the value you selected here, that value it should be come here, right?
Yes.
And then based upon that, the calculation has to be executed. So every time you cannot write the calculation here. So, but you know the parameter here. This is the parameter. You can directly drag and drop the parameter in the place of 7,000.
Okay.
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 Now this value is mapping the calculation and the report. Right now, this field was mapping with the calculation. The calculation was you have used in the here report, correct?
Yeah.
And click OK. Now see, as per the 651, this is giving a green color. Here, 690. What happens to this one? Red color. Because it's a less value than 690.
Yes. Green color.
Yeah. So you understand what is a KPI? How to create a KPI parameter?
Yes.
But practice this one, otherwise definitely you'll forget after one day also.
Sure, sure. I'll practice.
So today load is over.
Yep.
And tomorrow, second page. Okay. 26. We'll work with the 26 point. Okay.
Okay, Kishore.
See you. See
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.